Student, today I will take the topic numericals from the circular channel, flow through the circular channel. Already you derived the equations for the discharge of the circular channel. Now go for the numericals. See the questions. Find the discharge through a circular pipe of dia 3 meter if the depth of water in pipe is 1 meter and the pipe is laid at the slope 1 in 1000. Take the value of Chassis constant is 70. Okay, see here, find the discharge through a circular pipe of dia 3 meter. The diameter of the pipe will be 3 meter, so center will be 1.5, radius will be 1.5 meter. If the depth of water in pipe is 1 meter, see here the free surface of the water is just below the center, because the radius will be 1.5 meter and depth of water is 1 meter, right? See, check the figure. Okay, you just check the figure. This is the center, just take it as a center will be dia by 2 is equal to 1.5 meter, right? 3 meter is the dia, okay, so radius will be 1.5 meter, and here it is just below the center, right? It is 1 meter. The depth of water is 1 meter, you can denote as a small d is 1 meter, and it is capital D, okay, dia of the circle is capital D, so the radius will be 1.5 meter. Okay, see, this is the water, okay, water surface, you just denote as a water surface is AB, and the center will be O. You got my point? Okay, this is the center, right? It is will be 1.5 meter, right? So here this is the free surface, it makes subtended angle 2 theta. See, it makes an angle, right? It makes an angle 2 theta. The 2 theta is the subtended angle by the liquid surface AB to the center O, to the center O of the circular channel, okay, to the center O. Okay, so here the given data, what are the given data? The first one, the dia of the channel, dia of channel D is equal to 3 meter, right? The dia of the channel will be that 3 meter. So the radius is equal to dia by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5 meter. So the radius of the circular channel is 1.5 meter. And next, the bed slope of the channel, I is equal to 1 in 1000. Also you can write as a 1 divided by 1000, right? Chassis constant also they mentioned Chassis constant C is equal to 70. Sometimes they won't give the Chassis constant, they will mention the Manning's constant or whatever, okay, Manning's or Cutter's, okay. So by using that Manning's, Cutter's and Bazin's formula, you know, by using that formula you can find out the value of the Chassis constant, okay. Here the question itself they mentioned the Chassis constant. Okay, go for the solution. See, this bottom of the circle, this channel you can take it as a D, and here you can take it as a C. This point is can take it as a C. Okay, solution. We have this OC. You have to find out this distance OC from the water surface to the center of the circular channel. We have to find out this distance, this from the water surface to the center of the channel, OC. So OC is equal to OD minus CD, right? OD minus CD. See here, what is the OD? OD is the radius of the circular channel, it will be R, okay, minus CD. This is the CD, depth of the channel, right? So it will become R is 1.5 meter minus 1 meter, it will become 0.5 meter. The depth between this free surface to the center of the channel will be 0.5 meter. Okay, then also cos theta, this is the angle theta, right? One side will be the theta angle, right? So cos theta, see, this is the adjacent side, OC will be the adjacent side, right? OC will be the adjacent side. So cos theta is equal to OC divided by AO. OC divided by AO. This will be the radius. This both is the radius, right? So OC divided by AO. So here cos theta is equal to OC is, you got the value, OC is 0.5 meter and AO, this is the radius 1.5 meter. So it will become 1 by 3. So theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 3rd. So it will become theta is equal to 70.53 degree. Okay, 70 degree 53 minutes. Okay, next you have to convert this value in degree to radians. Okay, how to convert? Just check it. Okay, 70.53 into pi by 180. Okay, pi by 180. So you will get 1.23 radians. Okay, you have to convert this value. Okay, convert in angle to radians. Okay, convert the angle from the degree to radians. Okay, so how to convert pi by 180? See, pi itself is indicating 180, so pi by 180. Okay, over. So vetted perimeter. Next, go for the vetted perimeters. You know, to find out the discharge, Q is equal to A into C into root over M into I. M is area, vetted area divided by vetted perimeter. So this both data we have to find out. Area of this water, vetted area, and perimeter. Perimeter is from A to D, D to B. We have to find out, right? Already you know the equation to find out. So vetted perimeter. So the equations for the vetted perimeter, P is equal to vetted perimeter. P is equal to 2 into R theta, right? This theta should be in radians. Okay, so 2 into R theta. 2 into radius. Radius will be, what is the radius? Radius will be 1.5 meter and theta will be in radian. Okay, it will be 1.23. Okay, just check the values. So you got the value. The vetted perimeter is 3.69 meter. Okay, this value from A to D, D to B is 3.69 meter. Okay, next you have to find out the area. Okay, next you have to find out the area. What is the formula to find out the area? You know the equations. Area is equal to A is equal to, okay, already you derived the equations. Area and vetted perimeter also derived in the circular channel, flow through the circular channel. So the equations to find out the area is equal to R square into theta minus sin 2 theta divided by 2. Okay, the equation to find out the area is R square into theta minus sin 2 theta by 2. Okay, just substitute the values. R is 1.5 square. Okay, theta, what is the value of theta in radians? It will be 1. Just check the value of the radians, 1.23. Okay, it will be the 1.23 minus sin into 2 theta. Okay, sin 2 theta. Okay, what is the angle here? 2 theta. Okay, what is the angle? You got theta. Here you have to substitute itself in a degree. So it will become 2 into 70.53 divided by 2. You got my point? Okay, so it will become 1.5 square into 1.23 minus sin 141 degree 08 minutes. Okay, divided by 2. Okay, then simplify this equation. 1.5 square into 1.23 minus sin, instead of 141 degree 08 minutes you can write 180 minus just convert this value 141. Okay, it will become 38.94. okay, 180 minus 38.94 itself will be a 141.08. okay, this is a 9. okay, so divide by 2 over. So next 1.5 square into 1.23 minus sin 180 minus theta. Sin 180 minus theta itself will be sin theta. So it will become sin 38.94 degree divided by 2. Okay, so here next it will be 2.25 into 1.23 minus sin 38.94 degree. Okay, sin 38.94 degree divided by 2. Just check it in, cancel. The value of area will become 2.06 meter square. You got the value 2.06 meter square. Okay, here you got the vetted perimeter and vetted area. The equations to find out the discharge is Q is equal to AC into root over MI. So M, hydraulic mean depth, hydraulic mean depth, M is equal to A by P. Hydraulic mean depth, M is equal to A by P. What is the area here? You got the area is 2.06 meter square, right? reduced by 2.06 meter square. And wetted perimeter, what is the value of wetted perimeter? The value of the wetted perimeter, you got 3.69 meter. You got, okay. So you got the hydraulic mean depth. You know the equations to find out the discharge, AC into root over mi. You know the value of area, you got, right? And chassis constant, you know it is 70. And m, you got the value of m. What is the value of m? Hydraulic mean depth, it is 0.5582. okay, you got the value of hydraulic mean depth is 0.5582. And I, as you know, 1 in 1000, 1 divided by 1000. Okay, just substitute the values. Okay, area 2.06 into C is 70 into root over mi, hydraulic mean depth is 0.5582 into I is 1 divided by 1000. Okay, just check the values. Okay, just calculate. Okay, you got the discharge is 3.407 meter square. Sorry, meter cube per second. Okay, you got the value of the discharge is 3.407 meter cube per second. Okay, so over the next numericals I will continue in a next video class. Okay, thank you.